In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot MySafaricom app. So if you can't access your app, maybe your app keeps on crashing or it can't open, then let me show you how you can troubleshoot and fix all errors that you are experiencing. My name is Isaac, and if you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, there are quite a number of steps that you can take, and in the first method, we are going to access the app information page for us to be able to fix any issue related to this app. For this, I'll go ahead and then look for settings and then tap on it. From settings, scroll down until you see this option called apps. Now for this tutorial, I'm using an Android smartphone, that is a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From here, look for this option called manage apps. On some smartphones, it might be written all apps or more apps. Go ahead and tap on it. This will list all the apps you have on your smartphone. Go ahead and look for your app by scrolling down. Alternatively, you can search for your app here. And now we are on the app information page. Now, this is where we're going to do our troubleshooting. But if getting to this page is hard, let me show you a shortcut method to get to the app info page. For that, just go back and look for your app and then long press on it. And you'll see app info here. If you go ahead and tap on it, it will again take you to the same page here. So we want to go ahead and clear data for this app, and more especially the cache data. So if I go to storage here, you can see we have a lot of cache data for this app. And when you talk of cache data, we are talking of small files that your app normally stores whenever you interact or you use it. So these files are normally stored to enhance your user experience. However, the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. So to clear this cache data, go ahead and tap on clear data down here, and then choose this option called clear cache, and okay. And look at that, your cache data has been cleared. Now go ahead and restart your smartphone and then open your app, and at this point it should have fixed your problem. However, if the problem still persists, then you might want to go ahead and tap on clear all data and then wipe all the data by tapping on OK. And now that should have solved your problem if you do that. However, if that didn't solve your problem, then you might want to go ahead and access your app either through Google Play Store if you are on Android, or App Store if you are on iPhone. So I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and look for the app through Google Play Store. And here is Play Store, so I'll go ahead and tap and then search for my app. And here is my Safaricom app. So search for your app, and once you get it, look for any update if it is available. Now, one of the reasons why your app is malfunctioning is because you have been using an outdated version of MySafaricom app. So go ahead and tap on update, and once you update it, you'll now see this option open, meaning you have now the latest version of MySafaricom app. By updating this app, you'll be able to fix errors. You'll also be able to fix bugs and also get the latest features that come with this app. Once you are done, now you can go ahead and open your app by tapping on it. So by using any of the three methods, you should be able to get your app running without any other problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.